Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like pizza. B. She doesn't like pizza. C. She not like pizza. The correct answer is B. Choose the correct word. A book yesterday. A, read. B, reads. C, reading.
The correct answer is A.
How do you greet someone in the morning? A, good night. B, good morning. C, goodbye. The answer is B. Which is a color? A, chair. B, red. C, table. The correct answer is B. What is the opposite of hot?
A. Cold. B. Warm. C. Soft. The correct answer is A.
Choose the correct sentence.
A. I am, go to school. B. I go into school. C. I go to school. The correct answer is C. Which is a number? A. 7. B. Blue. C. Fast. The correct answer is A. Fill in the blank. He, happy today. A, is. B, R, C, A, M. The correct answer is A. Which one is correct? A. I has a dog. B. I have a dog. C. I having a dog. The correct answer is B. Choose the correct question. A. What your name? B. Your name is what? C. What is your name? The correct answer is C. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have visited London last year. B. I visited London last year. C. I visiting London last year. The correct answer is B. Fill in the blank. She is interested, learning French. A. For. B. In. C. At. The correct answer is B. Choose the correct word. If it, tomorrow, we will stay home. A, rain. B, rained. C, rains. The correct answer is C. Which sentence is correct? A, I can swim. B, I can too swim. C, I can swimming. The correct answer is A. Choose the correct meaning of break a leg. A, be careful. B, sit down. C, good luck. The correct answer is C. Fill in the blank. They have been friends, childhood. A, since. B, for. C, at. The correct answer is A. Which sentence is correct? A, he suggested me to go. B, he suggested going. C, he suggested to going. The correct answer is B. Choose the correct word. A, I will call you when I reach home. B, I will call you when I reaches home. C, I will call you when I reaching home. The correct answer is A. Which sentence is correct? A, I'm used to wake up early. B, I'm used to waking up early. C, I used to waking up early. The correct answer is B. Fill in the blank. It's important. Your homework every day. A, do. B, to do. C, doing. The correct answer is B.